Hello, welcome to Project 3. In this project we're going to work on binomial distributions. So we'll come to our site home, select our course, and then as we've done before we're going to start with our base Excel file. Just go ahead and open it. I hope you've been enjoying the projects and will enjoy the future projects. Alright, we're going to enable our editing and then enable the content. You'll enter your first name, your last name, and then your ID number. I'm just entering a fake ID number here. And we'll go ahead and click to create the binomial distribution file. It'll take a second or two. Don't worry if it says Excel not responding, it's just because it's doing work right now. As you go through these projects, you can just watch the video and click, but also try and think about how the spreadsheet is set up and why we're doing it a particular way. So there's lots of different ways to set up spreadsheets. I've done a lot of work with them over the years. So don't just follow the video per se. Think about what you're actually doing as well. Alright, so now our file is set up. We'll just confirm that. It should be on our desktop. And there it is. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and exit the file. Don't save it. Okay. We're going to go ahead and open our existing now working file. Alright, we're going to maximize that window. So this is the data that we have, the age of the individual, whether they're male or female, if they're a student, and then if they're a good student, whether the accident involved someone being impaired, and then what the cost of the accident actually was. Now I have 12,684 observations. Other people, everybody should have a different number of observations, so everybody's answer is going to be a little bit different, but they all should be kind of similar. And you may have 8,000 observations or 15,000 observations. We randomly select from the database how many observations you're going to end up with. Alright, so the next step we're going to do is calculate some descriptive statistics, and then we'll go ahead and finish the video. Now with a data set this big, I'm using the wheel mouse here. That's just not going to work. So you want to use a side tab in order to move up and down as you go through. Alright, we're going to come over to our descriptive statistics tab. At this point, everybody, whether you're on an Apple machine or on a Windows machine, should have the data analysis package installed. We'll click on data analysis, and we want to go here to descriptive statistics, and then we want to go ahead and select our input range. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to come back to our account data. We're going to start with age, and we're going to hold down the Control Shift key and go over, and then hit the over being the side arrow key, and then hit the down arrow key. So that's a quick way to highlight all the data that's there. We'll hit return. Our labels are now on our first row, and then we're going to specify an output range, and then we'll just click right here and go ahead and click on that A1 character cell. And then what we want is our confidence interval no, that's it. We just want our summary statistics. We don't need our confidence interval or our descriptive statistics. I'm sorry, our case largest and case smallest. So we're just going to go and click OK. And there we are. Excuse me. Now we can go ahead and widen this guy up so we can see the numbers a little bit better. I mentioned several times. You want to try and keep your spreadsheets as organized as possible, because when people come in after the fact, it just makes it easier to see. So what I'm doing here is just clicking the top of the column and double clicking so that it automatically sizes. Alright, and just the last column here to make things nice and neat. Alright, so we've got our descriptive statistics. When we come back on the second video, we're going to work with creating our cost bin and our age bin, and then creating histogram plots of them. And we do this because one of the important things is to always know what your data is. We'll also talk a little bit more about our descriptive statistics. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.